So this, I built this thing just over 2 years ago. This has been solid. It started off as Italian, and it ended up as a stretch Kraton. I got a bunch of the Kraton EXB goodies on it, and then I grabbed the Mojave chassis from M2C, stretched it out a bit. I'm running a maxx 6. And I'm also using Surpass Hobby 1650 kV. I don't remember the motor specs, but I can throw that up in the description below. This motor's been really solid, guys. I'm running 2 rocket fans with a heatsink on the motor, and I'm actually running a rocket fan in the Hobbywing as well. This setup, I don't want to jinx it, but it's been absolutely bulletproof. I mean, I'm talking electronics. The car alone, I mean, it's got its weak points, but we'll work through them. But as far as electronics go, this thing stays super cool. It got clocked at around 60 miles an hour. I think it was just over 60. I'm going to be testing out these tires for the first time on this truck. I took it out once with these tires. I jumped once and I snapped something in the front. I don't remember what it was now. I believe it was a shock. It was a rod end and a shock shaft. That's right. So yeah, I didn't actually test these tires out. So today will be the test. Also, when I replaced the shock shaft last time, I didn't remember what fluid I had in the shocks, so I kind of redid all of them, and I'm starting to make like kind of build logs for my trucks because I got so many that I forget what I got in them. So this will be the first of the build logs. Now right off the bat, I didn't have the exact CST or weight that I was looking for these shocks. Stock is 1,000, and I wanted to put 2,000 in there, but all I had was 3,000, so I mixed the two together, and because of this cold, it actually thickened up the fluid, so it's actually pretty thick right now. Like, it changes the way the truck drives completely. I'm not sure if I like it or not yet. I kind of feel like it's bouncing around a lot. Another thing I noticed is these tires are substantially heavier than the stock Kraton tires. So the steering is having a hard time. I think I'm compressing the spring on the servo saver. So I'm gonna have to address that. They are not adjustable. This is the EXB model of it. Oh, we got the dog chasing after the car. That's amazing. Yeah, I got the EXB version of it, but it doesn't look like it's enough with these tires. I got a hot racing one at home, and that one's actually adjustable, so I'll probably end up throwing that in here.
She's fascinated by these things.
Oh yeah, they all are. Yeah. This will tire her out.
Yeah, no, that's perfect, man. Hey.
I think you need one of these. Yeah, they're not bad.
Are they gas or?
No, these are electric.
No way.
Yeah. Is she good?
Oh
Yeah? What's her name? What's her name? Nova. Hi. Hi, baby. Good girl.
Yeah, she's a funny little dog.
Okay, you want to run? She's quick, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, when she slicks the ears back, she's gone. Go get it! Go get it! I've never seen these setups, eh? With all.
She doesn't want to let it go. See you, bro. Back to business, boys. Oh, almost took out the rams there. All right, well, one thing off the bat, the Fire Team tires hook up way better than these Badlands.
Like on the wrap or?
No, like on the grass and the gravel. Let me trim this car out a little bit.
I might even explore tire options for this.
Something's hanging. Oh, my mud flap.
Chassis there.
Ooh, that was rough.
Oh, it's okay. What tires are on now?
They're the belted Badlands.
Oh, it's on the back, but it landed.
All I see is a mud flap hanging underneath my truck. That could have ended badly.
It must be hitting. He didn't hit it straight because it was bouncing, but he must be hitting the chassis or something, sending it like.
Yeah, but I am having a hard time keeping the truck straight. Like, the truck is so much more stiff than it was the last time. I stiffened up the shock oil and the tires.
Yeah, you see how it keeps going all over the place?
Yeah, that's weird. Thank you. It's kind of hard to get it to do a full send because it's kind of bouncing everywhere. Having a hard time keeping it straight. Oh, that's done. Oh, that was a bad landing.
I heard it, I didn't see it. Oh, you just did the same thing I did last time, just a standoff problem.
No, I broke the control arm too.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Or did a pin just come out?
And I lost the shaft. No, I snapped the...
Oh yeah, what the fuck? That's gotta be around here.
We'll find it.
Right here.
Nice. Good eye.
That's not. So
I wonder if it's bent. Well,
That's
I ain't
good.
carrying it
Take
back.
it out.
It's getting driven back.
It's getting...
All right, guys. Well, that's going to end the bash session for today. Unfortunately, call it quits a little bit early. That's a bummer. But it's okay. We're going to get these trucks fixed up and we'll be back out. That's too bad, guys. Look how clean it is in there. We're running through mud and grass and stuff. See, like, that's what the whole thing probably would have looked like. But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you want to see more on the Kraton XL and the fire team, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, it helps out the channel, so just hit that like button, and we'll bring some more of this footage back for you guys, and try to get out here a bit more often. Thanks, guys.